Complete information about Stellar Phoenix Deleted Email Recovery. Stellar Phoenix Deleted Email Recovery is an amazing software that's specially designed to recover lost and deleted email items from the mailbox. It can also easily restore attachments, email, contacts, and more. It saves recovered items in various formats such as EML, message, HTML, RTF, and PDF format. It has GUI interface that makes the software easy to use for non-technical users. Advanced key features of Stellar Phoenix Deleted Email Recovery. Searches OST and PST files for recovery. It allows the users to perform a search for OST and PST file in any folder, volume or subfolder and so on in the system. Use the Find option if you cannot find the exact file path. However, Find can only select one disk at a time to search for data files. Preview of deleted emails. The software displays a list of deleted emails in different mail folders in your PSD or OST file after the scan has completed. The left pane shows a full list of folders, and a mailbox preview is displayed in the right pane. A numeric number in a particular folder indicates the number of recovered deleted mail items. Saves emails in multiple file formats. The software saves data consistency after recovering Outlook files and saves recovered emails in PSD, HTML, EML, PDF, and RTF files. These files can be easily obtained by importing them into MS Outlook. Safe and risk-free deleted email recovery. It can recover all deleted email and store the exact structure of the folders of the OST or PST file. It provides all of the items in the mailbox in its original format after Outlook recovery. It performs a reliable recovery of deleted emails without harming the original files. The trial version of the software is available for free, but it has some limitation as it only scans and shows the preview of the recovered files. It does not allow to save them. If you want to save the recovered email, then buy its license version. For more details, must visit www.freesoftbooks.com. Thank you. Please do like, subscribe, and share.